In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up Stripe notification. To begin, open your web browser and go to Stripe. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside your account, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Developers. After opening the Developer section, locate and select Webhooks. This is where you'll configure notifications for events that occur in your Stripe account. Inside the Webhooks page, click the Add Destination button. This will open the setup screen where you can define where Stripe should send notifications. In the URL field, enter the endpoint URL that will receive your notifications. Carefully enter the destination URL in the field provided. Once the URL has been entered, move on to the event selection area. Here, you'll choose which events should trigger notifications. Review the available event options and select the ones you want to receive updates for. These can include events such as successful payments, refunds, and other account activities. After selecting the events you want to monitor, review the information you've entered. Make sure the endpoint URL is correct and confirm that the desired events have been selected. When everything is ready, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Add Endpoint. This saves the webhook destination and completes the notification setup. After saving the endpoint, you can test the configuration using Stripe's test mode option. Use the available testing tools to simulate events and verify that notifications are being delivered to the endpoint you specified. If you're using a URL for receiving notifications, make sure the URL uses HTTPS. Confirm that the endpoint is accessible and ready to receive event data. Once the test is complete and notifications are being received correctly, your setup is finished. Stripe will send updates for the selected events directly to the endpoint you configured. Whenever an event you've selected occurs, Stripe will deliver a notification to that destination automatically. If you need to make changes later, return to the Developer section, open Webhooks, select the endpoint you created, and update the settings as needed. The main steps are accessing the Developer section, opening Webhooks, adding a destination, entering the endpoint URL, choosing the endpoint and testing the configuration. That's all there is to it. You have successfully set up Stripe notifications and configured an endpoint to receive updates for the events you've selected. Thank you for watching.